Okay, the second question is on system equations. You need to really read the question carefully. They say the sum of the digits in a three-digit number is 19. So before we even begin doing any working, let us write down or define our three-digit number. So let x, y, z be the three-digit number required. So in this case, my x represents the hundreds, the y will be the tens, and z will be the ones. Okay, so it's like back to primary school math. So what is the first hint we are given? X plus y plus z is equals to 19. Okay, first equation. Because we have three unknowns, x, y, z, so we need three equations. So now we have the first one. Where do we get the second hint? Okay, you continue to read. Reversing the order of the digits in that number decreases the value by 495. So what do we mean? So let us write down what do we mean by reversing the order of the digit. Means instead of x, y, z, z, y, x. So what is the value of x, y, z compared to z, y, x? So let us write down. So x, y, z, I can write it as 100 times x plus 10 times y plus z. Whereas z, y, x is 100z plus 10y plus x. And the first value is 495 bigger than the second value. And this is how we get our second equation. So x, y, z minus z, y, x equals to 495. So we have 100x plus 10y z minus 100z plus 10y plus x equals to 495. And let us try to rearrange the terms so that we form an equation in just x, y, z. So what we can do is we have 99x minus 99z equals to 495. And this is our second equation. Now for the third equation, there's a third hint. They say that the sum of the tens digit and twice the ones digit is 5 more than the hundredth digit. Okay, so how do we write this now? The tens digit is y, twice the ones digit is 2z, is 5 more than the hundredth digit. So let me just rearrange the term. And this is our third equation. So we have three equations in terms of x, y, z. So let me just write down the three equations again. We'll have x plus y plus z is equals to 19, the first equation. The second equation I can write at 99x plus 0y minus 99z is equals to 495. Second equation. And the third equation I have negative x plus y plus 2z equals to 5. Okay, you realize that before I actually use GC to solve, I make sure that I arrange the equation such that all the same unknown variable. You see, all the x is in the first one column, all the y in the second column, all the z in the third column, because you need to arrange it in this manner or format before you key into the GC. Otherwise, you are going to get the wrong answer. I'm not going to show the actual screenshot of the GC, but when you go to Polysimal 2, I have three unknown, three equation, And we are going to key into so-called the matrix form. We are going to key in the coefficients for x, y, z, and the constant in this format. So what you should get in the GC, right, the matrix, it should be 1, 0, 1, followed by 19. This is the first row, following the coefficients of the first equation. You do the same for the second and third equation. I have 99, 0, minus 99, and here I should have 495, and the last equation I should have minus 1, 1, 2, and 5. Okay, you key in, make sure the coefficients are keyed correctly, and then you press solve. You have x equals to 9, y equals to 6, z equals to 4. So the 3-digit number is 964.